The first few questions are shuffling type. Okay, கொடுத்திருக்க letters shuffle பண்ணி answer கொண்டு வரணும். The letters is heterolysis JEP. Heterolysis JEP. And I'll give you a clue. A pioneer of modern chemistry, a pioneering scientist in modern chemistry. The answer ends with Y. The answer ends with Y. Okay, ஒரே ஒரு டீம் தான் ஆன்சர் எழுதுன மாதிரி தெரிஞ்சது. The answer is Joseph Priestley. Team F correct answer எழுதுனாங்களா? இல்ல. Okay, let us go to the next question. Now you have to shuffle pest alert. 1 2 3 4 9 letters இருக்கு. Pest alert and a common name of potassium nitrate. Chemicals and common names பார்த்துறீங்க. Sodium chloride, common salt அந்த மாதிரி. Potassium nitrate க்கு ஒரு common name உண்டு. Potassium nitrate க்கு ஒரு common name உண்டு. எஸ்ல ஆரம்பிக்கும். ரொம்ப இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறவங்க பார்த்தா இந்த வார்த்தையை சொல்லுவாங்க. பாதி வார்த்தை. The answer is answers check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. The answer is saltpeter. யாராவது எழுதிருக்காங்க? இல்ல. Let us go to the next one. Reorder Caroline. Caroline is an English name. The clue is the product of dehydration of glycerol. Glycerin dehydration உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? CAROLANE. இதை ஷஃபிள் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் வரும். Answers check பண்றீங்களா? Okay. The answer is acrolein. Next. Reorder third holy. Third holy மொத்தம் 9 letters இருக்கு. இதை shuffle பண்ணி ஆன்சர் யாராவது எழுதிருக்காங்களா? Okay. No one. The answer is hydrolith. Next. Reorder glowed hint. Hit. Glowed hit. An alloy used in making jewelry. An alloy used in making jewelry. A part of the name is a color. A part of the name is a color. And the other part is a metal. The name is a என்ன மெட்டலா இருக்கு யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. அந்த லெட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் வெளியே எடுத்துட்டு வேற என்ன கலர் வருது பாருங்க. ஜுவல்லரி மெட்டலுடைய லெட்டர்ஸை வெளியே எடுத்துங்க. க்ளோவ்டு ஹிட்ல இருந்து மீதி இருக்க லெட்டர்ஸ் வச்சு என்ன கலர் வருதுன்னு பாத்துங்க. ஓகே, ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஒயிட் கோல்ட். ஓகே, சோ டீம்ஸ் B, C and F. B, C, E, F நாலு டீமுக்கு 7 மார்க்ஸ் கொடுத்துருங்க. 4 teams will get 7 marks each. B, C, E, F. White gold is the right answer. Just one more question with this type. Elephant horn. Elephant horn can be rearranged to get a compound whose chemical formula is C10H8. C10H8. C6H6 தெரியும் இல்லையா, அதனுடைய எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் தான் இந்த காம்பவுண்ட். C10H8. Okay, answer. Answer is naphthalene. Naphthalene. So நாலு டீம் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. B, D, E, F 7 marks கொடுத்துங்க. B, D, E, F naphthalene. Now let us come to the next type of questions. Which is the purest form of silica? You will get options here. So இதுல என்ன ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சரோ அதை எழுதுங்க. ABCD ன்னு எழுதாதீங்க, கன்ஃபியூஷன் வரும். Whatever you feel is the right answer, write that answer. Suppose amethyst நினைச்சீங்கன்னா amethyst ன்னு எழுதுங்க. Okay, purest form of silica. Fine, the answer is quartz. Quartz. the crystalline and purest form of silica. Team F will get 10 marks. Team F will get 10 marks. Next, which is the most common solvent among CH4, CCl4, CBr4, CF4, CI4? இந்த நாலுல solvent யூஸ் பண்றதுல most common எது? Okay, answer is CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Okay, team A answer எழுதுல, all other team 6 marks, except team A, all other 6 marks. Next, which is the shell that has no p orbitals? KLMNO. Which shell has no p orbitals? Padalama, it's the K shell. Again, this time all the teams get 5 marks. All the teams get 5 marks. Next, which sodium compound is used to separate soap from glycerin? Which sodium compound is used to separate soap from glycerin? Sodium iodide, sodium acetonide, sodium bromide, sodium chloride, sodium fluoride. Which is used to separate soap from glycerin? Glycerin la irundhu soap veliye kondu varudhu. Okay, right. Answer is sodium chloride. NaCl. So team B, D, F, 8 marks each. B, D, F get 8 marks each. Next, what is the present name of Eka aluminium? Thulium or gallium? Only 2 options given. Thulium or gallium? What is the present name of Eka aluminium? Okay, the answer is gallium. Okay, except team D. 6 marks to the others, except team D. Next, which metal reacts with water and burns among indium and potassium? Indium and potassium. In the rendula, either tannila thukki potta burn and explosion even. Right? Let us see. The answer is potassium. All the 16s get 5 marks each. Next, what is the percentage of acetic acid found in pyroligneous acid? Pyroligneous, ligneous means got from wood, trees, okay? Pyro means fire. So pyroligneous means acid got by breaking of wood using fire, okay? Right. The answer should be above 7.5% but below 12.5. Answer should be above 7.5 and below 12.5. If your answer is within 0.5% of my answer, you'll get marks. Okay, check. Let us see the answer. Okay, the answer with me is 10%. So 9.5 lende 10.5 kulla irundha kai pothundu. 9.5 lende 10.5 varaikum. 3 teams have given the right answer. B, E, F, 8 marks each. B, E, F, 8 marks each. Next, what is the electrode potential of normal hydrogen electrode? What is the electrode potential of normal hydrogen electrode? Okay, English alphabet names American English la sollitu pona 26வது வரிசை. Fine, answer சொல்லிடுவா. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Z is the American word for Z. Okay. 26வது வரிசைன்னு சொன்ன team B, C, D, F 7 marks. B, C, D, F 7 marks. Next, around what percent of acetic acid is present in vinegar? Vinegar na acetic acid nu நாம நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்ல. Okay, vinegar la வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மி தான் இருக்கு. The answer is a single digit and your answer must be within 1% of my answer. நான் இங்க காட்டியிருக்கிறதுல ஒரு 1% முன்ன பின்ன இருக்கலாம். Okay. Fine, let us see. My answer is 7 to 8%. So, சொல்லி முடிச்சிடுறேன். 6ல இருந்து 9 வரைக்கும் எந்த கை தூக்குங்க. 6ல இருந்து 9 வரைக்கும் எந்த கை தூக்குங்க. Team A, E, F 8 marks each. A, E, F 8 marks each. Next, the nitrogen in nitric acid is in which oxidation state? The nitrogen in nitric acid in chemistry quiz vandirukeenga college students. Nitrogen in nitric acid is in which oxidation state? HNO3, the maximum possible oxidation state for nitrogen. Answer is +5. Answer is +5. Okay. There plus podam nanna kai kediyadhu. Fine. All the 5 teams except 6 marks each. Next, what is the most common oxidation state in lanthanides? Most common oxidation state in lanthanides is 3, 4, 5, 6, none of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, none of these. Most common oxidation state in lanthanides. Okay, we'll see the answer. It's 3. So all 6 teams get 5 marks. Next, what O is the strongest elemental oxidizer next to fluorine? Inime vara questions la first letter of the answer will be given in the quotes. So if unga answer O la arambikka. What O is the second strongest elemental oxidizer next to fluorine? Answer starts with O. The name of an element, strong oxidizing element. Okay, wow. Answer oxygen. Raise the hands. எனக்கு புரியல, ரெண்டு டீம் வந்து ஆன்சர் சரியா எழுதலையா? அவங்க என்ன எழுதிருக்காங்க? டீம் ஏல எழுதல. நீங்க டீம் ஏ என்ன எழுதிருக்கீங்க? அவங்க என்ன எழுதலையா? ஆஸ்மி. B, C, D, F 7 marks each. Next. What T? Now the answer starts with T. Is a type of plastic to which polythene belongs. The common polythene. You know, based on how easy it is to destroy them, we call plastics by 2 names. There is one type of plastics which can be remolded. There is one type of plastic which cannot be remolded. Fine. Both their names start with T, but polythene is thermoplastic. Thermoplastic. So team B, D, E, F get 7 marks each. B, D, E, F 7 marks. Thermo or thermal, sir. Right, next. What X? Okay, the answer starts with X. It's an oily liquid that has a formula C6H5 C2H5. Start with X. Answer should start with X. I am giving you the common market name of that chemical, but even in chemistry text also it's referred to by that name only. Shall we see? Xylene. 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 So B, C, D, E, F 6 marks each. B, C, D, E, F 6 marks each. Next question. What K? Okay. What K is an atom which has lost all its valence electrons? For example, magnesium எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா atomic number 12, அந்த ரெண்டு வேலன்ஸ் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸை எடுத்துட்டா மீதி இருக்கிற ஆட்டம்க்கு பேர் என்ன? அதே மாதிரி தான் any atom. You take sodium atom, you take one electron away. You take aluminum, you take 3 electrons away. You will get the element without the outer shell. How is such an element called? Answer starts with K. There is a clue also. Think of the inner part of a grain nut. Nut kulla irukum illaya? For example, cashew nut kulla and the cashew மட்டும் அதுக்கு இந்த பேர் தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. அதே மாதிரி peanuts kulla இருக்குது ground nut. The answer is kernel. Okay. Anybody got it right? Sure. What S is obtained when ethyl alcohol is mixed with sodium? What S is obtained when ethyl alcohol is mixed with sodium? Answer starts with S. Answer Pathala. The answer is sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide, that is team B, D, E, F. B, D, E, F 7 marks each. Next. What M means? Capable of being beaten into thin sheets. So, properties of metals padikumbodhu idu oru mukkiyamaana property. A metal can be made into very thin sheets. Gold is a world number 1 in this property. The answer is malleable. Answer is malleable. Metals are mostly malleable and ductile. D, E, F get 8 marks each. D, E, F. Next. What is the chemical formula of the alkyl group decyl? Decyl group nude formula ennu kekran. For example, butyl chloride na C4H7 அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். C4H7. Decyl group oda formula ennu kekran. Decyl. Very simple. நான் இப்ப butyl சொன்ன மாதிரியே decyl க்கு சொல்லிடலாம். Answer is C10H21. C10H21. Okay, team B, D, E. B, D and E. B, D and E get 8 marks each. Next. What is the chemical form of phenylhydrazine? Phenylhydrazine. அது chemical equations ல யூஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி எழுதுங்க. உட்கார்ந்து ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்லாம் வரைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்க வேண்டாம். Okay. C6H5NH2. Right. Team ABEF. 7 marks each. ABEF. Next. What is the chemical formula of carbon suboxide? Carbon suboxide ஒன்னு இருக்கு. Carbon monoxide தெரியும், dioxide தெரியும், but suboxide, a rare form. Patruma, answer is C3O2. Carbon suboxide has a formula C3O2. Next, which profession is named after the element lead? Which profession is named after the metal lead? Don't think of the name lead. You will not get the answer. You think of the other name of lead, you will get the answer. OT apple. Fine, the answer is plumber. The other name for lead is plumbum. Okay, so E and F get 9 marks each. Which is the element with a proper name and the highest atomic number? Element with a proper name. And the uni by அப்படின்னு எவ்வளவு வேணா போடலாம். ஆனா ப்ராப்பர் நேம் கொடுத்தாச்சு and it has the highest atomic number as on date. The answer is organazone. Organazone. Okay. Fine. A, C, F. Get. சரி, இந்த மார்க் இருக்கு, ஆனா அவ்வளவு கொடுக்க முடியாது. ACF get 8 marks. ACF get 8 marks. Team B will get 4 marks. Okay, right. Next. After what is the element indium named? After what is the element indium named? Fine. Patrlama. Indium is named after India and எந்த பேர் எழுதுறாங்க? யாருமே எழுதிருக்காங்க. Indium is named after indigo. Indium is named after indigo color. Okay, indigo color. Team C and D. C and D get 9 marks each. C and D. It's named after indigo color. And indigo got its name because it was obtained only in India. So indirectly, indium is named after India. Okay, Anna marketing. Okay, last question. Which inventor and discoverer had to evaporate a whole lake in order to get samples of 2 alkali metal compounds? And he later became the discoverer of those 2 alkali metals also. Is a very common name in chemistry. He is a very common name in chemistry. இவர்கிட்ட சண்டை போட்டீங்கன்னா எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட்டே ஒழுங்கா பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேவா? பாத்துருவோமா? பன்சன். Okay, Robert Bunsen, while trying to discover the elements rubidium and cesium, in order to extract a few salts, he had to evaporate a whole lake. Right. We'll go to the next round. So that was the semi-finals. So you on the score right. The first round of the final quiz is called fact analysis. Here, 2 questions per team, all one of 2 types. This or that, yes or no, true or false. So, thank you, volunteers. We'll start the final quiz now. Very Okay? Yeah, big stone, small profit. Questions வந்து இந்த மாதிரி பெருசா இருக்கும். Answer இந்த மாதிரி சின்னதா இருக்கும். Each correct answer will give you 15 marks. Same rules, but 18 ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு இந்த சர்க்கிள்ல வர போறோம். It was first discovered in 1821 by the geologist Pierre Berthier in the village of Les Baux in southern France. It consists largely of the minerals gibbsite, bohemite, and diaspora together with the iron oxides, and hematite, the clay mineral kaolinite, and a small amount of amethyst. Australia is the world's largest producer of this ore. What ore is it? Common ore பேசலாம். Come on, team A. தெரியல நீங்க கெமிஸ்ட்ரி படிக்கலன்னு சொல்றீங்க. இதெல்லாம் வருது. இது மீடியா. கொஞ்சம் சத்தமா பேசுங்க. ரூடைல். Okay, team B. Magnetite, team C. Please. நீங்க பேசுறது உங்களுக்கு கேக்குதா? Pyrite. Bauxite. Team E. Team F. எனக்கு ரொம்ப bauxite னு தோணுது. Let me check. Right. So team D gets 15 marks. Team D gets 15 marks. We come to team E. He was the youngest son of Heinrich X. He studied at the University of Magdeburg. He won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1944 as a Nazi Germany national. Applied radiochemistry is a set of important lectures by him, which is an influence to many radiochemists. He discovered a nuclear reaction or a radioactive decay process in which the nucleus of an atom splits into smaller parts. Who are we talking about? No? Not Curie. Heinrich no first name sollachu. Second name sonnapo. Satyama kekala. Team A, Team B, Team C. Rutherford. Okay. Heinrich Becquerel. Henry Becquerel. I think it's Hertz. Oh, Heinrich Hahn. Sorry, Heinrich Hahn, youngest son Otto Hahn. Sorry, I was also wrong. So, where did we start? Team E. We'll start the next question also at Team A. Research published in 2012 by the University of Rio de Janeiro identified what capability as a fundamental enabler of increased brain size in human evolution, enabling vastly improved efficiency of food and energy consumption necessary to support larger brains. Note this, the human brain accounts for 20% of the resting energy metabolism, whereas, for example, gorillas must spend up to 10 hours a day foraging and eating. நாம ஒரு நாளுக்கு ஆவரேஜா மொத்தமா 1/2 மணி நேரம் சாப்பிட்டாலே மோர் தென் இருக்கு. ஆனா நம்மளோட சைஸ்ல கம்பேரபிளா இருக்கக்கூடிய கொரில்லாஸ் வந்து 10 மணி நேரம் சாப்பிடணும். What is the main difference? What is the reason? What is the difference between gorillas and humans in this? Team F, A, B, C, D. அதுதான் கேக்குறேன். எப்படி நமக்கு brain size அதிகமா வந்தது? Gorillas ஏன் சின்னதாவே இருந்தது? That is because of chemistry. Because we started cooking the food. தெரிஞ்சோ தெரியாமலோ, when we invented fire and we started cooking the food, okay, when we cook the food and eat, it gets digested very quickly, and which means we use lesser time for eating and more time for sleeping, at which time the brain enlarges. Okay, so sleeping is most important for brain development. இது புரியாதவங்க நைட் 1 மணி வரைக்கும் முடிச்சிருந்து மெசேஜிங் பண்ணிட்டு chat பண்ணிட்டு போன்ல பேசிட்டு கதை அடிச்சிட்டு. Okay, again we come to team E. I was called a gas Sylvester until I was rechristened with my present name. You know, the Parabian gas Sylvester, but my new name is different. They realized that my presence was in the year 1630. 1630 you can get my discoverer's name, the following formula. The place where Asuras live plus mount with a letter removed. Okay, also called as a fixed gas. I am a good refrigerant and hence used in industries. But since the beginning of industrial revolution in 1800, people started having negative attention on me. It was a color effect that caused me acquire this ill name. In 1986, a huge cloud comprising only of me exploded and caused the death of 1,700 humans and 8,000 animals in northwest Cameroon. Give my molecular formula and find who discovered me. Team F? CFC. Okay, team A, B, C, team D. And the answer is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide old name gas Sylvester. Okay. And carbon dioxide only இருக்கிறது 1630 ல கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. இது என்னன்னு தெரியல. Where to Asuras live? Fine, okay, other way to this. Okay. Carbon dioxide is a good refrigerant, but the industrial revolution ஆரம்பிச்சதுல negative attention on me. Negative attention is because of greenhouse effect. Again, we have to start from team E, but this time I will stop with team F. I am not proceeding further. Okay. This scientist was born in Groningen, Netherlands on 8th February 1700. He was a mathematician and physicist. He published the book Hydrodynamica in 1738. He realized that a moving fluid exchanges its kinetic energy for pressure. His equation pertains to the flow of liquid. In May 1750, he was elected as a Fellow of Royal Society. He died in 17 March 1782. Aged 82 in Basel, Republic of Switzerland. He is also related to temperature. What scientist are we talking about? Team E. Kelvin. Team F. Oswald. Okay, this scientist is Fahrenheit. Okay, so we will just skip the remaining questions because we are running out of time and so this is the high-speed visual round. Now you will be given buzzers. Next, the equipment, team F.
Furnace.
What furnace?
Blast furnace.
Blast furnace is the right answer. So team F, they were spot on and they got it right. 14 questions. In the 4 questions, sir. Okay. In the 4 questions, okay. Let us see. Name this chemical. Yes, team D. Team D. Team D. நான் டீம் D னு தான் சொன்னேன். D னு சொல்லல. and உங்ககிட்ட லைட் எரியுது. அது கொஞ்சம் தூக்கி காட்டுங்க. தெரியுதா? green light இருந்தா தான் நீங்க first yes சொல்லுங்க. Not Prussian blue, it is hydrated copper sulfate, a very common chemical. பரவாயில்ல, don't give them minus. Okay. I later realized that just by showing this, we cannot confirm. Okay. Right. Next. This has some semblance to an organic chemical formula. This is the logo of what? This is the logo of what? This is the logo of what? This is the logo of logo, a computer language. Okay, right. Next. This piece of equipment was very useful to people of a certain profession before the invention of electricity. What is it called? Team E. -5 to them. Count me success. It is a minor safety lamp invented by Humphrey Davy. It has nothing to do with Petromax lamp. Okay, right. Next. What type of crystal structure? This is the last question. Team C. Body centered cubic. Okay, so team C got 5 marks. Now the scores will be added up and positions announced, and soon after that the valedictory function will commence. Okay, 1:15 முடிக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லுங்க. 1:15 நீங்க எல்லாரும் போய் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண வந்திருக்கீங்க, both science quiz and college